Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljusen, du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar över all kontroll, jag gillar hur du rör mig nu. Flyter vi något som jag drömde om och sagt förut. Vill inte höra maybe, baby, det är dags att ta beslut. Yes, we like candy, så tacksam att du fann mig. Mitt hjärta håller space för dig. Jag behöver inget annat så länge vi tillsammans, mitt hjärta. Protecting my peace for so long. A little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody on a no-show. Even with green lights, I don't go. Never been sure, no, I don't know. How does everybody has let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I
You should definitely try this recipe. I wouldn't say it's a recipe though, but just putting all of this together. Just one day, and I was saying to myself, why not mix vegetables with fruit with some Italian dressing, and it feels so good. You see that the strawberries and the berries with the veggies, perfect. It has that sour and sweet taste to it. My plate is almost empty.
I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Mocktail recipes. So I started off with my first mocktail, and honestly, y'all, why? Why do you need anything else? This just gives. I got this circular ice from Win over here. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I love kombucha, and all I did was add some limes for like a little razzle dazzle. That was it. Literally kombucha and limes. And can we, like, is this not a $15 margarita? No, girl, it's a mocktail at home.
Can't you find me in the